What is up, guys? My name is Caitlin, and it has been a hot second, a hot minute, a hot few months since I have posted a video. I know, I'm sorry, but I've been slightly down recently, and I realized I really like making YouTube videos, and I like editing, and it makes me happy. I'm gonna go back to this. I really like making YouTube videos. So, expect more from me, I guess. Anyways, today I am going to be doing a video that nobody asked for, which is how I do my makeup, because I need to figure out some more YouTube video ideas. More YouTube video ideas for the future, so for right now we're just going to be doing this. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So, yeah. Mika, do you absolutely need water right now? There's gonna be a lot of noise in the background, that's just what's gonna happen. So first I use, Mika. Okay, so first off I use this e.l.f. primer. I don't really know how to make this focus. There you go. So I start off with this, I think it was my mom's, but I took it because I didn't have a primer, and so yeah. What you guys doing over here? What you doing? What's up, Roxy? I have my mirror set up right here, so I'm gonna be looking over here. I'm sorry, I'm trying not to rely on the viewfinder for a mirror. Probably not smart. Anyways, next I use the okay, the lid is all sideways, hold on. The Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I don't have money for the most expensive brands, so yeah, this is all like either stuff that I get from relatives as like Christmas presents, or just because, or stuff that I buy at like Walmart. I really know I should wet my beauty blender, but I am so lazy. So now I use the Wet n Wild, I think that's what it says, concealer, or is this corrector, I guess, whatever. Yeah, I think I got this from my grandma. My grandma gets basically any Walmart rejects, so she also gets like donate stuff because she has adopt a family, she runs it, so any extra little things that usually like I guess won't get taken or like anything, she'll offer it to us. Any certain things like makeup. Next thing is a powder that I got from Dollar General because I don't have money. It is the Wet n Wild, I think, Photo Focus translucent powder. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the incorrect brush. I should be using this brush, but I really need to wash it, and I've been neglecting washing them, so I probably will wash them after this video. After making like 4 TikToks. I feel like I should be talking more, but I'm not very good at talking, so I guess I'll just talk about what's been going on in my life, because why not? I guess we're still in quarantine or whatever. I mean, some things are open, but I don't know. I'd rather stay safe. I got a job. I don't like it. Well, I like it. I don't like having a job in general. We gotta do things to make money so I can take care of my guinea pigs. Or mine of them. Okay, so now I do it in a weird order, but I have a lot of Maybelline stuff now that I think about it. I never look at the brands, but I use this Maybelline eye primer. Oh my gosh, Focus. Master Prime, yeah. And I put this on, and then I do my eyebrows, even though this is like eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna be honest, I have had this for a few years now, and it's an eyeshadow palette. It's from Hot Topic. It just says 12-piece eyeshadow palette, and I use it for my eyebrows because I don't know what actual stuff you're supposed to use for eyebrows. I mean, I guess like eyebrow gel or eyebrow stuff. I don't know. I don't actually know how to use most of the stuff I have, so if I'm using anything wrong, please feel free to nicely tell me in the comments. I don't know. If any of you are here for my reacting to K-pop videos, hi, nice to meet you. Those were fun to make. I'm thinking about doing another one, but I'm still not sure. I don't know. I haven't had much time recently, but I should have more time soon, I guess. This video is going to be very fun to edit because a lot of it's awkward silence, and I've already been recording for 10 minutes. There was just a little conversation at my door. My 5-year-old sister tried opening my door, and my 3-year-old brother goes, "Don't open the door." And she goes, "Why?" He said, "Because Dee Dee's in there." They call me Dee Dee. And she goes, "Yeah, but why?" I don't know if that looks okay, but I just kind of guess. And I'm also using eyeshadow to begin with, so it never looks okay. This is probably going to be one of the most uninteresting videos I've made. So now I move on to the eyeshadow. I have this Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray. This is it. I got this for a birthday present. This is like my favorite palette. It's got all these colors, and I mostly use the bright ones, but yeah. So usually, depending on what I wear, I'll choose the color of eyeshadow I use. So let me go ahead and at least change my shirt or something. A lot of what I wear is actually just black. I mean, I wear colors, but I don't know. So if I'm usually just wearing something black, usually I will go with the green eyeshadow because, I mean, I got this. So I might do that, or I might do something else. We'll figure that out. I really like doing yellow though. Can I do yellow and green? I'm gonna try that. We're gonna try that. We're gonna try yellow and green. Recently, I have been using TikTok a lot. At first, I absolutely hated it, and then I actually started using it, and now I am on it for way too long, every day. So if you want to follow me on TikTok, here is my username. I post random videos, and yeah, kind of like on here, they're just shorter. That's gonna have to work, even though it looks blue. That's weird, because I'm using... Ooh. I am using this shade and that shade, which I guess on here it does look blue. That's weird. Whatever. Where'd I put that brush? Oh. Now I use my... Oh gosh, this is gonna be hard to show. CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus, yeah. I just use this on my waterline, honestly. After that, I use my Rimmel London Wonder Wing eyeliner. This is it. If it could focus. There you go. My aunt gave this to me because she bought the wrong one. She did not like this. What can I help you with today? I have given up on trying to make the wings even. I want to say that's pretty good. Now I use my very crappy LA Colors I Heart Makeup Glow Palette. I just use these three for the blush, and I kind of just put that everywhere. I don't know who I saw do it, but I saw somebody take some blush and put it on like their Cupid's bow, I guess. So ever since then I've been putting it there. I just realized I forgot to put on mascara. I use CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom. It is my favorite mascara. I don't care if it's cheap. I love it, and it works. Yeah, I'd say this mascara is pretty good. Now I use my Sugar Contour de Force mini highlighter in Champagne Champion. I used to get like monthly Ipsy bags, and this came in one of them, and it is my favorite highlighter. I could probably make an hour-long compilation video of me just saying in the middle of videos, trying to figure out what to say. Or so. I say that a lot. I'll say a whole sentence and then end it with so. I don't know why. I just have a habit of it. I just kind of put highlighter everywhere, and I really don't think you can put too much highlighter. I also put this on my Cupid's bow? Cupid's bow. I don't know. I think I gather a lot of stuff from what I see online and then just start doing it. And after I'm done with that, depending on my makeup and how I feel and what I'm wearing and where I'm going, I'll put on lipstick or not. But recently I've just been using lip gloss. It's just BI Beauty and Intuition. I got it out of a cup in Five Below. That blue cup, it says live your best life, and it had like this lip gloss, pink lip gloss, pink lip liner, and a very light pink lipstick. Anyways, this is the finished look. I don't know how well you can see this, so I will probably post a picture. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I will probably try to edit this tonight and post it probably tomorrow. And I'll probably record another video tomorrow because I love doing YouTube. I know I only have like a handful of people who watch my videos, but even just that handful of people that I don't personally know, like watching my videos is really cool to me. I thank you guys for that, and with that, I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, give it a like, and I don't know what else I usually say, it's been too long. Peace out. Whoa, there's my makeup.